What up, guys? I go by name Clinton. Welcome to the Only Profits Academy. Today I'll be showing you guys one of my most effective trading strategies, and this strategy has helped me make a lot of money over the past few years. With that being said, I'm going to be buying the euro yen. As you can see, I'm going to place my take profit at this level here. Perfect. Took second off to modify the take profit for second position, and as you can see, we're in a drawdown, and this is dumb money traders, totally oblivious to the true nature of the market. They do not understand how the market works, and that is why they trade with their retail trading methods that has not helped them stay consistent. In a market where 95% of traders fail, how should you be trading? This is how you should be trading, how I am trading right now. And the market is going to hit my take profit in a bit because I know where the market is going every single time. Boom, take profit hit. I told you so. In less than 3 minutes, I left the market with over $100. So right after I made a withdrawal of $2,500, I have been able to make somewhere around 20%, over 20% in about 2 trading days. And the day is still actually young. I might make close to 30%, end up making close to 30% today. And, you know, I feel like I'm suffering from the top 5% syndrome. This is when you can't stop making money in any given market condition. I mean, I can't help it. Every time I take a trade, take profit is always hit with precision. I can't stop making money, guys. And I will not tell you the secret to how I always know where the market is going to end up. That is my personal secret. But I can tell you that if you pay the price, both psychologically and emotionally, like I did, you'll figure it out. The videos are here. You can go over them time after time so you can put the pieces of the puzzle together. And becoming consistent trading is something you cannot put a timeline on. It might take you 2 years, it might take you 3 years, it might even take you 10 years if you are that persistent. But once it clicks, and you'll be making money for the rest of your life. So just hold on in there and keep trying. So yeah, like I said, I think I've made over 20% in 2 days on this account because I made a withdrawal recently, and you can go back to previous videos to watch my withdrawal. Clinton signed out from Dubai. These videos are here to motivate you. I'm not trying to show off or brag. I'm just trying to show you that consistency is actually achievable trading. And I am not Einstein, and I'm not trying to come across as some sort of a trading genius. I'm a regular guy. And if I can do it, guys, anyone can do it. Clinton signed out from Dubai. Once again, like, share, and subscribe.